AI is no longer the future. AI is already paying lots of people. And the truth is that you don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to have money. And you don't need to have a big team in order to earn with AI. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI business ideas you can start now and make money with it, even if you are a complete beginner. Watch to the end, because the number 6 idea is what most people are using to cash out quietly online every single month. If you're a content creator, a business owner, or you have been hoping to use AI to start earning online, or you've been hearing that AI helps you to make money online and you want to key in also, this video is for you. I have used AI to build brands, create content, and also help businesses grow faster, and YouTube can also do that. So let's go straight into it. So idea number 1 is AI content creation for small businesses or page owners. Now, lots of small businesses or page owners needs content to build their pages and their businesses, and most of them might not even have the time or even the skill to do this. Now, this is where you come in offering content that they need to be posting on their pages or for their business growth, okay, like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, real scripts, or even make the real videos for them, or creating product description and even flyers that can help their business grow or help their pages grow bigger. And what are the tools that you need to create this content? They are easy, and most of these tools are free. One of the most important tools that can help you create this content is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT gives you everything that you need about any business or any page that you want to promote. What you do is to get every details about the business, get every details about the page or the profile you want to promote or create contents for, and then take it to ChatGPT. Tell it, this is what I want you to do. This is a page I'm going to promote. This is a business I'm going to promote. This is what this business do. This is what they do. So I need you to guide me into how to make posts for them, how to create reels for them, how to create real scripts for them, so that I can use it to make money. And it will give you, ChatGPT will give you everything that you need to grow that business. And then you can decide to charge them either monthly or per post you make for them. It depends. Some of them might decide to retain you for a very long time, as much as you can be able to create this content for them. Okay. Then another AI tool you might be needing is Canva AI, right? Canva AI helps you to create flyers for them to grow their businesses. And then another AI tool you also need is CapCut to make videos. Okay, especially the real videos. So with these tools and everything that ChatGPT is going to give you, you can be able to create lots of ideas, lots of business posts, lots of videos, reels for these businesses to grow and get paid daily for it. You can even charge 50k to 200k if you are in Nigeria. You can charge as much as possible, especially when they are big businesses. Idea number 2, AI video ads for online sellers. Now, lots of online sellers are struggling with ads. They find it difficult to create ads. They find it difficult to even know what to do about their ads, right? This is where you come in by creating video ads for them, or talking head videos, or you do product demo videos for them in order to push their businesses, also run ads with them. You can even help them to run these ads. Short and simple. You can get every of the details you need from ChatGPT in order to do this kind of business. In order to do this kind of video ads for them. Okay. So the tools you'll be needing, the most important tools you'll be needing here is Sora or VO for videos, right? And you also need the CapCut to edit your videos. You also need the 11 labs AI tool to make talking head videos for those people. And then you can decide to price it individually, like making a video and charging them in line with one particular video. But you can also do a long-term production or pricing with them, especially for those that are ready to retain you. You can decide to charge them monthly. For those that are not ready to retain you, you can decide to charge them per video that you make. If one of your videos should go viral in running ads for these people, it can earn you a lot of money. So try this. It's one of the biggest way people are using to cash out online. And all these things you'll be using, all these AI tools you'll be using, you don't need the pro versions of them. You can use the free versions to make these videos very well and then give it to them. It's just few seconds video. It might not even get up to a minute. Just few seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds is enough to make a very good product video for these online sellers. So we go to the idea number 3, and that is AI resume or LinkedIn optimization. Now, a lot of job seekers are out there looking for visibility. This is where you come in. You help them to write their resumes, right? Using AI. You can also help them to optimize their LinkedIn pages, because LinkedIn is a platform for professionalism where people seek for job both online and offline. Some people need remote jobs, right? And they come to LinkedIn, but most of them do not know how to navigate on these LinkedIn platforms. But with you using AI tools, you can help them to do this. What are the tools you'll be needing? You need Chat GPT. Now, this Chat GPT has everything you need to make money online. That is why you should just go and download it. If you don't have it yet, download Chat GPT into your phone, because it carries a lot of things that you need to grow businesses online, to get people visible online, and also to write resumes for them, cover letters for them that they need for their job employment. Okay, so another AI tool you'll be needing is Canva. Then you need a target market. You need to seek for job. You need to check out for job seekers, especially on LinkedIn. You search for them. There are much there on LinkedIn. Search for them and start messaging them one after the other. Check on their profiles and tell them, I can help you optimize your profile. I can help you write your resume. I can help you write your cover letter. I can help you get your remote job. So you go to Chat GPT in line with every of the information on their profile. Then you tell Chat GPT, I need you to help me optimize this page. Now Chat GPT will give you everything you need for their bio, for their about, for everything that they needed on their LinkedIn pages, on their LinkedIn profiles. Because when I wanted to optimize mine, I didn't do anything on my own. I just screenshotted my profile. Then I picked everything that I needed about my LinkedIn profile, and I sent it to Chat GPT, and I told it I want to optimize my LinkedIn page, my LinkedIn profile, and Chat GPT gave me every of the information that I need. I was able to optimize my profile, and since then I've been going viral. Like, my posts go viral, a lot of likes, comments, and reactions are seen on that profile. Why? Because ChatGPT gave me everything that I needed to push that profile high. So you too can do this, and then you charge them in line with what you are doing for them. These are not free, but you get all the AI tools for free. Try it out. So idea number 4 is voiceover or faceless YouTube channels. Okay, now YouTube is paying a lot of creators out there monthly for the content they create online. So you too can come in by creating content. You don't need to show your face, because a lot of people are shy in showing their face, or maybe they don't find it comfortable bringing out themselves, right? Or you can do voiceovers. You can also do faceless YouTube channel. And the niches this kind of faceless YouTube channel goes with is motivations, kids content, or explainer videos. You can use this to cash out online, especially on YouTube, because right now lots of faceless channels are cashing out big time using AI tools. Okay, and one of the tools you also need in this idea, this number 4 idea, is Chat GPT. You also need 11 Labs AI to make your explainer videos, right? You need stock visuals, and then one video can earn you for a long time. In fact, can earn you money for a lifetime. That is why you need to key into this particular one, especially if you can open a YouTube channel. And you can also help people that has YouTube channel to build their YouTube channel, especially if it's a Facebook YouTube channel. They don't want to show their face and they don't know how to create content. You can start helping them to push their YouTube channel by being one of the admin that posts for them, or even make content for them that they can start posting. Like, someone chatted me one day, say, I've checked on your channel and I want to help you to edit your videos. I want to help you to do this. I want to help you to do that. I want to help you to write SEOs. Get SEOs that can move your channels high. Now you can go to learn all these things on ChatGPT and use it to start cashing out. So try this one. It's going to earn you. So idea number 5 is AI chatbots for small businesses. In fact, big businesses also need these chatbot messages, right? Messages, right? Because lots of business owners do not have much time to attend to SMSs, like people private chatting them, people leaving out messages for them, especially if they are running out. Now, this is where you come in to help them create AI chatbots that will be giving out, messages to customers when they click on their product or click on the link that tells something about their businesses. Okay. So what you would build for them is WhatsApp bots, website chatbots, and also Instagram auto DM flows. Now, this will help them to grow their businesses because most customers do not like sending messages and there is not respond, right? Most of them, when they send a message like this and there is no response, you tend to lose them. So that is where you come in to help them create this WhatsApp bots that would be helping them answer questions and attend to those customers to deal till the business owner comes online. And the tools you'll be needing for this is one, many chats, okay, and ChatGPT AP, and also website builders, AI website builders that can help you build websites for them in order to move their businesses high. And your pricing, you can set up pricing for them monthly or anyhow you would like to get it in line with your agreement with them, and you start making money from this. And this can also come with reoccurring payments, since you need to always go and to do maintenance, because you need to change some of the messages so that it doesn't look like a cake, like this person, this is the only thing that always replies, meaning this person is using a chatbot. You go for monthly maintenance, monthly change of messages, tweaking of messages, so that it could align with the person's business. So the idea number 6 that can help you, even if you don't do others, is AI branding and visual identity services, right? This is one of the most profitable AI business out there today. Okay. And what you need to do for them is you create for them logos, you create for them brand kits, you create for them product mockups, you create for them social templates that they can use to build their businesses. Okay. And the tool you need is Canva AI and image generators. Very simple and easy. And then you also need ChatGPT. Okay. Small brands want to look big, so you help them to brand up with flyers. You help them to brand up with kits, mockups, right? You can set this up and it will keep earning for you day after day, week after week, month after month. So don't snooze on this. Even if you don't want to do others, even if you don't understand others, this one is easy and simple. Canva AI gives you every template you need to run this. All you need to do is just do some edits on it, and then voila, you start cashing out with it. Okay. So the last idea, which is the 7th idea that you might need to look into, is sell AI templates and digital products. Okay. This one, you create once and keep selling forever, right? So what are the things you need? What are the examples of things you need to sell here? You need to sell social media templates. People need templates to build their businesses. They might not be able to do it on their own, starting from the scratch. So you build a template for them that will be easy for them to edit and work with. You also need content planners. A lot of people need content planners to help them plan their content so that they won't be getting bored or getting stressed or creating content. You can also make for them prompt packs. Okay. Prompt packs, especially with this AI thing, they need prompts that will help them go easy. So they just copy and paste and then they get the results they need. You can also help them build business trackers that will help them track their businesses and how they're doing in their business. And this you can create once and keep selling. And where do you sell this? You can sell it on your WhatsApp status. You can sell on your Facebook page. You can sell on your Instagram pages. You can just talk about it, give them insights to what you do. This is what I do. This is how I do it. And people will start coming to you in order to purchase these templates, in order to purchase this digital product, and you keep earning with it because you don't need to start creating things daily or weekly or monthly. You can create once and it keeps selling forever. This is all passive income. In fact, this number 7 is passive income. It keeps coming and coming over and over again. So AI is not replacing you, right? It is the people using AI that are replacing you. So you have to key into this so that you will not be replaced in the market. And then pick one idea from everything I've talked about today, especially number 6 or number 7. They are easy to run with and they can start cashing you right now. Okay. You don't need to stay long before you start making money with it. Unlike Faceless YouTube channel where you need to build to get subscribers and get to monetization. These ones, some of them, you don't need such a long period of time to get paid for your services. Okay. And if you want more AI business ideas, just type AI ideas. So I'll respond to it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for stopping by and see you in my next video.